Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Wonders of Switzerland. We are in the region of St. Gallen and this is our home for a few days. Hello everyone! We are in the region of St. Gallen and this is our home for a few days. As you know, we live in Lugano, Switzerland, but for safety reasons we never film our home. But this is a typical Swiss neighborhood. We are staying in this Airbnb and we think it's interesting to show you how is a typical Swiss house. So this is the entrance with a mirror and also our things, the baby carrier, our shoes, a lot of natural light. And it's also a tip, very important, that you save a lot of money by renting a place that offers a kitchen, because you can cook almost all of your meals, even like simple things. You save a lot of money, guys, believe me. They have the fridge. I don't know if you guys know, but in Switzerland it's very common that the fridge is built in the kitchen, so it's very nice because it seems to be just part of the furniture. Here is the oven. I think it's very practical to have an oven when you rent an Airbnb, because so many easy things can be prepared in an oven. But they also have a stove, a microwave, an espresso. We have some mess here but yeah, this is a nice view. It is so nice to have dinner, lunch here, sitting in this table. Here is the living room. Yeah, it's very nice. So this door here, when you open it, you come to this part of the house. Downstairs they have another nice bedroom. We haven't even touched it because we don't need, but it's very nice that you have places to put your clothes during your stay. It has a nice view too. They have a second bathroom. Here is only the shower, the sink. And here's the toilet. The other side, there is a third bedroom or an office. Yeah, as you wish. I have already been here ironing some clothes for me yesterday and coming all this way. They have another room that they are using just to hang out some clean bed sheets, and they have also a laundry room. Yeah. So if you're staying for a long period, this makes all the difference. I just want to sit here and share some thoughts of mine while the baby is still sleeping. I don't know how much time I have, but it's okay. I just wanted to share why we choose to stay in Airbnbs more often than in hotels. It is, in my opinion, actually in our opinion, a rich experience because you can know a little bit more of the real lifestyle of the city you are visiting. So we chose this Airbnb. It's close to the city of Appenzell and also the city of St. Gallen. We recorded some videos during our stay here. We are going to leave all of them in the description below so you can have an idea what to do if you decide to come here. Just wanted to share how nice I think it is to stay in a typical neighborhood. It's a cultural experience for me. Every time I go somewhere and I rent an Airbnb, I feel more like part of the city I am visiting. And this is a place exactly like this. You can see that the neighbors live here. You can see their lives happening, and you have an idea of how is the lifestyle in the place you are visiting. I am not super fan of super touristic experiences everywhere I go. some places I just want to feel like I am living in a different home for a few days, not just visiting, but enjoying the lifestyle that the place has to offer. And this is a very quiet and nice neighborhood. The Airbnb is super clean, tight, well decorated, and I feel this was a good choice for the region of St. Gallen. We really enjoyed staying here, so we recommend it a lot, and you will find the link in the description below so you can see more, the prices and the available dates. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to our channel so you don't lose any of the upcoming house tours here in Switzerland. We try to film all the places we stay, hotels and Airbnbs, so you can have an idea how is a typical house here, or maybe see if it is a good place for you to stay when you come. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And if you decide to stay in this Airbnb, share your thoughts below. We would like to know. See you in our next adventure. Bye!